Alright, you're going to want to create another folder after this, so create a new folder, click the new folder tab up here, or you can right click, go to new, and go to folder if you don't have that option up here. Alright, and then rename the folder whatever you want. I'd recommend naming it sort of after the mod you're going to install, because Forge is a requirement for certain mods. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to name it mod, and you want to keep it kind of short because you're going to have to rename a bunch of files mod. Alright, and again, if say you were installing not enough items, for example, I don't think it's updated yet, but say you're installing not enough items, I would just put NEI in this folder. Alright, so you want to abbreviate stuff. So after you have created a new folder, again I named it mod, go ahead and access the Forge folder that is now in your versions folder. So go ahead and double click it, highlight the two files in here and copy them. Alright, go back one to your versions folder and go into the mod folder that we just created. Alright, then paste these two folders in here. Alright, so now we're going to want to rename both of them mod, or whatever you happen to name this folder. Again, I named it mod, so I'm going to rename both of these mod. Alright, so after you have renamed both of them, you're going to want to click on the JSON file right here. So you go under type, make sure you're on the JSON file. Right click, go to open with, and choose Notepad. Again, if it's not over here, just choose default program and search for it in other programs and should be able to find it. So go ahead, click on Notepad and hit OK. Alright, so right next to the ID here, you're going to want to change the Forge 8.9.0. whatever build you happen to install to whatever you happen to name the folder. Alright, again, I named it mod. I will rename this mod. Alright, and then make sure you save it. Do not just exit out. Make sure you file and then save. Alright, then you can go ahead and exit this out. So then you can go ahead, now Minecraft Forge is now inside this, and then you can actually go ahead and install a mod now. But before you do, close out of this and start a Minecraft to make sure it is working for you. Alright, so now go to new profile, name it mod or whatever you happen to name the folder, go to use version, click on the arrow here and go to release mod. Alright, or whatever, again, whatever one you happen to name the folder, and save profile. And you can go ahead and log out of every other profile, go to the mod here, profile mod, and log in with your username and password, and we'll notice that Minecraft Forge is now on this. And then you can go ahead and install mods inside the mod.jar that we just created, that Minecraft Forge is now in. And there we go, we have Minecraft Forge installed here, and we have mods. We have the three things that Minecraft Forge adds in. And if this does not show up, again, make sure you have your profile set to whatever you named the folder, as well as the version, release, and then whatever you named the folder, and then you can log in. If it doesn't work, and then that, restart the launcher and you should be good. So anyways, that is how you install it, and then you can go ahead and install mods back into your versions, and then your mod inside this mod.jar and stuff like that. You also now have new folders in here. You have a mods and core mods folder as well. Alright, so that's how you install it. If this helped you, please leave a like rating on the video to help it get noticed. If you want to subscribe, please do so to see more Minecraft mod reviews and tutorials, and thanks for watching.